Hello there. It's 11:31 here in Miami, October 5. This is our ship, yung pupa. Then going to the proa. Oh, the Monkey Island. This is the pier. We've been landing because of the CO2 replenishment. And this is the Miami terminal. See that? Parang airport, no? Oh. Ay, yung barko namin. Doon. Simula pa ganun. Maya-maya at 12 o'clock, duty ako dyan sa gangway. But I want to show you this. This is Miami. There's the coastline of Miami. Nga pala, hotel ito. Dyan pumapasok yung barko. Nag-channeling up. There's the Hyatt Hotel. Asan na yan? Ayan, Hyatt Hotel. Then, I want you to see this. Oh, Shorgandhi crane. The giraffe type. Eto, the pangalan ng barko na yan is Enchantment of the Seas. Laki niyan, no? Oh, ang ganda. I just wish I could sakay-sakay the jeep. Laki niyan. Well then, gotta close this video up. Bye-bye.